Hey baby, let's get for a walk around Sukhumvit area.
Sukhumvit
Yeah.
in Bangkok, Thailand. Let's go.
Yeah, okay.
Let's we explore.
Hello. Thank you. I love all the greenery underneath the MRT track. This is what the local garage looks like. This is what the local tourists look like. Hey baby, do you want a broom?
Let's go. You want to buy some for me?
So, what do you think after seeing that selection?
They're all in a good quality.
Oh yeah.
Let's grab some.
Oh, the good quality, for sure. Sukhumvit Road. Trying to sell all the bits and pieces. You're walking across the street. I'll have one of them. Thanks, bud. Excellento. Red Bull.
Yeah.
There you go. I've got a free Red Bull. Okay, this is what you need for when you want to walk around Bangkok and stay as crazy as all the action is. And, oh, gotta take the lid off first, hang on. Check out these dudes getting the jump start on the red light. Only in Bangkok. Local bus stop. And look at that, here comes the bus. Cool pair of Thai boxing pants. concludes their little walk around and I don't know how to say Sukhumvit. Yeah, that's it. Street walkabout. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you on the next video.